Hello and welcome to Daily Inspirations. Today I am decorating my lined vertical classic sized VillabeauTIFFul planner for the week of December 5th. And I will be using stickers from Just Starkey, a frame of mind. These are the sheets that I printed bigger. The actual size that I'm using is smaller. Let's show you the comparison. You hear my birds outside? I love them. This one's called Red Winter. And this one is actually the small sheet. I'm using the bigger Joy to the World. Also from Just Starkey. And I will be using these really cool tapes that I got from Rose Colored Daze. Let me show you. Okay, so these are days of the week, but they have little ornaments next to the day. I hope you can see that. I cannot see my viewfinder or whatever you call it. I cannot see the screen at all. And then this one is also gold, but it's little holly leaves and swirlies. I love them so much. Okay, I'm not really sure how I'm going to use these on this spread yet, but I'm definitely going to use the date covers with either red or green overlay inks from Girl Boss Anna. Probably red on the top here for date covers, and then I might do some green ones down here for things to do. Got my pair of eyewear. Aren't these fun? I like to match them to the spread that I'm doing. Okay, oh, and also I have this boxes book from Happy Planner. And one more thing, I am not doing voiceover again. So, excuse me. So you get to watch this in real time and hear me making mistakes with my words and all kinds of fun things. And I will probably speed up parts like doing whiteout. Just want to see if this red matches well enough, because I might use brown. Yeah, I don't feel like that goes very well. Oops. Okay, one more time with this whiteout. I feel like maybe the little ones, although I'm not sure that they're going to be big enough for the dates. So let's check that out. Yeah, that's going to be quite a bit of a size difference. Let's see. Actually, it looks okay. Looks kind of cool. So we'll go with that. It's pretty warm right now. I think it's just because I'm sitting in the sun. But the temperature is 70. Let's see, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so now we're ready to do some decorations. Okay, so what I do with my printable stickers is I cut them out because I hand cut. I don't have a Cricut or a Silhouette. or anything like that. So I cut them out by hand. And then I move them around the page to see where they might look good. This tree, like in the yard of this cabin. Ooh, I like it. I like it so far. I'm going to cut out three boxes so I can move them around the page and figure out what I want. I need some bigger boxes for the other side. We have an appointment on Monday, something going on Tuesday, and then Wednesday will be my long box because it's going to be the day that I get hopefully a lot of things done. Oh, and then we can put this down here. Oh, that'll be cute. Okay, then maybe I'll put the mailbox here. I should have cut this one. Actually, you know what I'll do? I will put this one over here. Yes. Okay, then figure out where I want Monday's appointment and also Tuesday's thing. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, we're gonna start putting down other stickers, and then I didn't choose a washi for down here. I'll probably get the gold confetti tape from Rose Colored Daze. I think it would look really nice there. Yay! Okay. I think I'll leave this side the way it is for now. You know, Chrissy told me that you don't have to do this picking apart the stickers if you score the back. Just keep forgetting. I hope that looks good where it is because I don't think I'm moving it. Here we go. Oh, that's cute too. Okay. This is Texas Planner Babes Planner Zoom. This is Junk Journal Saturday Zoom, and this is Planner Utopia Zoom. I have not been to Fridays or Sundays in a while. I keep putting it on my planner every week, hoping that I'll be able to go. I feel like that's balanced. I really feel like humming and singing and things like that while I'm planning, but I don't think you all would love that so much. Let's see, we're gonna go 2 lines under the tree with this one. I'm still a bit shaky too. I'm struggling. Just mental health, physical health, it's all related and it's all challenging. But that's okay. I have lived through everything thus far and I will continue doing so. But dear whatever's supposed to make me stronger. Or no, dear whatever doesn't kill me. I'm strong enough already. I saw that on a sign or something somewhere and I loved it. Okay. I think these 2 sections are pretty good. I want to figure out something with these boxes, but I'm going to do the bottom. I'm not extremely happy with the sticker paper just because I thought it said matte, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see or not. See that? It's like not exactly matte. Okay, this cute little winter house here, Christmas house with a cute little bow. I didn't even notice that. Look, this little bow is like this one, but it's black and white, and so therefore they both match my glasses. I know, I'm a dork. It's okay. I'm going to put on this tree. My pair eyewear link is in the description below, along with my other links. I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate, so you can shop Jane's Agenda with my link in the description below. Okay, where are we going to put this lid? I feel like it needs to go down here, but I also feel like this area is so empty. What do you think? I just don't feel like that goes there. Maybe the holly tape will fix that problem. If not, I will cut out another sticker from these 2 pages and figure it out. Okay, put our little sled down here. Okay, then let's see if we can fix, or oh no, I didn't do this one yet. Okay, well, let's see if what we can do with this holly tape. I know I want one here. Yes, that's much better. Okay, now I wonder if this would look okay down here. With the confetti dots next to it. I'm going to do that in a second here. Maybe my phone got overheated. I'm not really sure, but I put the gold dots here and here around the little holly. And I was just trying to decide if I can use these washi inks, but I feel like they're the wrong color and they don't go very well with what I've got going on here. So I am going with the ones that match the top, kind of pull it together a little bit more. Let's see if a box would fit there. I think it's a little bigger than the actual space. But it might work. No! I am going to cut it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to cut right on this line. Okay. Oh, here's the fly is back. Oh, so I was telling you about when my daughter was little, like a toddler, I got a series of books that were songbooks. For example, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, I'm a Little Teapot, stuff like that. Okay, that's going to bother me because it's not even. Like if I make the lines even, there's space at the bottom. I guess most people won't notice that one particular line is bigger than the others, or space, whatever. Anyway, one of the books was Shoe Fly, and I had to sing the book, not just read it. I had to sing that book every single night. She had a little routine that we had to follow. And once that book got into the routine, it was in there for a long time. I'm going to look for another tree because I feel like one might be good over here. That's a bit large, so let's put this one. And I am going to cut off the little tree stand or tree trunk. So I can put it. I feel like that looks good. Okay. What do you think? I think after, so I'll do gratitude over here. Wait, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, perfect. But this this last one's gonna be really tiny. That's okay. All right, we'll stick this tree on. Oh no, it's It's see-through. It's not paper, it's a clear one. And there's a lot of black lines. Nope, that one's not. I stuck it down really hard. What do you think? Still be fine? Yeah, I think that's still fine. I think it still looks good. I think that's it. Okay, I'm going to put away my extra stickers. Maybe you haven't seen this, what I did with my little cash envelope system. I ran out of cash, so I've been using it to hold my the stickers that I cut, because there's zippers on the little pouches so they don't fall out. Oh boy, it's getting really thick. It's time for a second one, I think. See how thick that is. Oh boy. Okay. Anyway, that's that. I think, ooh, I forgot one thing. I want to put a little holly header thing. Over here. I think I'll put it in between the two, because, or maybe like this, because I need to be able to write on that line. There. Okay, that's bothering me now, but once I get words in there, it'll look good again. I hope. Okay, so that's it. All right, we are on December now. Still haven't done my December calendar, and it is December 5th. Well, it will be December 5th. And yeah. Still blank. That's okay. I may leave it blank. I left November's blank. Sometimes you just have to go with the flow and listen to your body and not do things when you can't do things. All right, here we go. There it is, all done. Here, I'll get a little closer, don't be shy. Oh, that's a deodorant commercial, which deodorant is toxic, by the way. We haven't discussed deodorant. I have discussed laundry chemicals, particularly dryer sheets, being extremely toxic. But I don't think I've ever talked about deodorant. Deodorant's really, really bad for you. I use something called crystal deodorant from Norwex. It's basically like a chunk of salt, like a salt crystal, and it works so well. It's completely non-toxic, and I don't react to it at all. I love it. Norwex link is down below as well. All right. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I think it's been over an hour again, and I will have to do some trimming, some speeding up of some parts, but I hope you enjoyed anyway. As always, stay inspired. Bye.